Hi everyone, it's Gloria Hester here, and I'm here today making a video for you. I'm unboxing the first author copies of my new recipe book called Real Food for Real Bodies. This has definitely been a labor of love. I did not open this box. You can see it has not been opened, but this book's been a labor of love, and it has taken full force of people who know what they're doing to help me get this part of it done to get it to this stage. So thank you all, and thank you, Nancy, who's doing the video for me today. Nancy did the photographs for the book, and Leah did a few as well, Leah Fox and Nancy McCarris, and I'm so grateful. And thank you, Haley Walden, for helping me to get it on Amazon so that it's available for all of you. And so Nancy has loaned me her new box cutter, which is adorable. I just have to share that with you. It's so cute. And so this is my first time seeing these as well. And so here we go. All right. Okay. Maybe I won't even need one for this part of it. This is a nice little blank on here. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing the cover for the first time. I have to admit. Okay. I just need to pause for a minute. One of my friends who has published warned me. He said, when you see your book for the first time, just take a moment. And he was right. Okay. I haven't seen it. So, and I didn't really know. Okay. So this is the book. So, so it's Real Food for Real Bodies. And it has had a lot of advanced reader praise. So the back cover, this is what the back cover looks like. And it's some really sweet people reviewed it and gave it their heart's message. So that is inside. And then if we open it up, this is a visually rich book. And so when I authored this book, I started the folder for it in 2012. It's been a long time coming. And when I authored it, I weave in stories that are different people I've known over the years and different things I've learned from all my people. I know that it's hard for me to tell if the lot is right. It's so amazing. So this book will be it's available in, I'm holding the paperback. It'll also be available in hardcover and also in a digital format for those of you who like digital books. So it's available in all three formats. And so it's weaving in story about why I authored the book and why I wanted you to have it, and very traditional ways of preparing your food so that they're more nutrient rich, and also sources and resources um, that I hold dear, as far as different companies that I know are really congruent. They're very congruent in what they stand for. So I have an incredible resource library for you in this book, and I also have an entire section called Food for Thought. Food for Thought is all about things you may have never thought of before that you might want to consider for you as a unique individual, as well as an entire section on being outdoors. So it's only appropriate that we would do this outdoors. So it has an entire section devoted to food for thought and light. So, and what food actually is. And I went across all the spectrum because I've had short spans in my life where I was vegan, other spans where I was vegetarian, other spans where I was very carnivorous. And I think it's okay to live your life in a way that is going to serve you. I had a teacher share with me years ago. She lived in an ashram, and she had said, "I know you don't want to eat meat, and that you don't eat meat right now." She said, "But you actually need to, because for you it is a form of medicine." She's an Ayurvedic practitioner. And she said, it is a form of medicine. And she said, there'll come a time later in your world where you don't eat meat again. And she said, but for now, it's medicine for you. And that's one of the things I really wanted to make Real Food for Real Bodies very non-dogmatic, and to give you options across the spectrum. So all kinds of recipes are in here, from stews and soups and sweet treats and raw food desserts and juices and healing teas, and everything is included in this book. And one of the people that did a review on it said she felt like this would be the last recipe book she would ever need. And so again, it's woven in story, and I cannot believe it's here in the physical. It took a lot to get it to this place. And so I'm so grateful, and I hope you will order your copy, and I hope you love it. And I hope when you order your copy that you will please leave a review, because it helps other people like you know that they would love it too. This has definitely been a labor of love, and we absolutely have more coming soon. But for now, we're going to give this baby some love, and we're going to have a live virtual birthday party for the book, as well as an in-person birthday party for the book. So you can find out, you can go to info@gloriahester.com or go to gloriahester.com and peruse around. And I'll have somebody set up a way that you can stay connected if you want to know more and be a part of the celebration for this book, Real Food for Real Bodies. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming to my first unboxing of many. I have a few copies in here. So if you want your copy, your physical copy signed, please go to Amazon. This book becomes available in hardback and paperback on July 7th. 2025. So if you're watching this years out, it'll be there. But July 7th, 2025 is when the paperback and hardcovers are available. Right now, it's available on pre-order for your digital version of this book. And it's beautiful digitally as well. It turned out really gorgeous. So, and thank you, Nancy, for videoing, and thank you for capturing this. And thank you for everyone who said you have to have a birthday party for this book, and you have to do an unboxing, and you have to do photos, and you have to do video. So once I get on video, I'm fine. It's just setting it up. We're just setting it up and getting ready for it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will support Real Food for Real Bodies, because your family's going to love it. You're going to love it. And some of the, yeah, we'll do the animal series next. Okay. Mwah. Bye for now. And thank you so much for watching.